What up, my people? Today we're going to be talking about Zephyr. I'm going to show you how not to get screwed over like Raptorium. Yeah, not going to waste your time. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below something funny. Funniest person, $5 giveaway coming. Check out my previous video on FreeCash. Let's get into it after this intro. Today we're going to be talking about Zephyr. I'm going to show you how to mine it, and at the end of the video I'm going to give you guys a really big warning towards this cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's been popping off, but keep in mind, like, just because right when a coin pops off is right when a coin potentially dies. Let's go over to CoinGecko real quick and we will see. Let me log in real quick. Sorry about that. Well, sorry about the wait. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I have some awesome videos coming up, some solar powered videos, some iPolo videos, you know. Okay, so Zephyr in the last 30 days is up 1,769%. As you can see, it has gone like insane. Let's go over to the last 30 days. As you can see, it's been jumping. If you don't know what is Zephyr, the Zephyr protocol at its heart is an over-collateralized crypto-backed stablecoin protocol, a concept refined through the innovative degen protocol. Degen oriented from the collaboration between Ergo Foundation and Emergo Cardano. I don't want to read all this. Essentially, they have a reserve token 4 times backing their USD coin. So if you know, like Terra Luna or FTX, this is supposed to make that not happen. Also, Zephyr is a fork of Monero mining RandomX, and so you're supposed to get all that security plus all that privacy all in one. That's the gist of it. You want to go to GitHub XMRIG, download the latest version of XMR for your machine. For me, that would be if you're using Windows, it's going to be this one right here. You're going to go through, save it. Windows may flag it because Windows sucks. After you get it saved, you're going to come over here to, I like to use Herominers. Seb Fintech did an awesome video earlier. Go and check that out. I highly recommend it. What you're going to do is go to your file where you saved your miner. You're going to extract your miner, right click, extract all. Once you have it extracted, you're going to click into the folder, go to start, edit. Once you get it edited, you're going to copy that line over from Herominers. You're going to copy this line right here. You're going to paste it in there. You're going to go to Zephyr, the Zephyr website, find the wallet. You're going to go through, follow through the process, set up your wallet. Once you have your wallet, you get your address, paste in your address, paste in your, whether you're US, Europe, or anything else, file, save that. Once you have that saved, your hash rates should show up on Herominer. It'll show you your 24-hour, whatnot. Just so you guys know, I am mining, stacking a baby bag of this. I'm running around 30 kilohash at around 600-700-ish watts. That's only netting me just about $5 a day, $148 in profit a month. Yes, that does sound really good, but keep in mind, look at this chart over here. You can see the rewards for Zephyr were significantly higher a couple days ago and has been dying off gradually. With today being Black Friday, as you know, people are ordering those CPU miners at a deal. Like, check out Amazon. I may have some links down in the description below. Check those out if they're there. If not, well, there's a million videos on it. But how much Zephyr you're getting a day is significantly crashing because more people are mining on it. Also, there's some serious selling pressure on Zephyr. If you come and look at these charts with me, let's just look at it. We have a peak of about $52 for today. We're looking at around $44. We're going to go through and make some marks on this chart really quick. We're looking at a high of about 52.51. And I'm thinking we're going to find, we're sitting right now around 44. And I could definitely see us retracing back here to this range of 20. And so this is where I'm kind of looking at, maybe see some resistance around here, around 29. Okay, so right now we're banging on resistance around 44, we'll say $45. I mean, that's easily a 25% drop we could be looking at in Zephyr. If I were to lose 25% of my profits, that would put me at roughly, I'd be losing $1.25. Yeah, you could see how that significantly cuts into my profitability. That is also considering that nobody else hops on the network. We can go over here and look at mining pool stats, and we'll type in Zephyr. As you guys can see, the network hash rate for Zephyr over the last 7 days has been ballooning. Yes, it does have a market cap of 106 million, total trading volume 5.5 million, which means the trading volume right now is almost a certain percent. Like, it's a decent chunk right now. As you can see, the difficulty is skyrocketing right now. So if you guys remember this coin Raptorium that came out a little bit ago, Raptorium was towards the end of the last bull market. I want to say 2021 is when Raptorium started making waves in the crypto world, because its price from like 0.000, like 4 zeros, had skyrocketed up to 8 cents. A lot of people made money on Raptorium, and a lot of people lost money on Raptorium. Let's go back to the yearly chart. Let's go back to the max chart. If you look at this chart, here was Raptorium, another CPU mineable coin that came out towards the end of the last bull market. If, as far as Zephyr is concerned, I would say we are around in this point. We had this extreme breakup to 8 cents. It tailored down back to where it essentially slightly higher than it essentially started when it got listed. And yeah, there are a lot of people holding a bag on Raptorium that's not worth much, and that could potentially happen with Zephyr. I would just not go through and buy any CPUs to mine on right now until this settles out, but you never know. We'll come back over to this chart. One thing I would say, if Zephyr seems to be holding between this $44 and $52 range, and the hash rate doesn't increase too much more, which, I mean, I don't think so. As you know, like, all the big crypto miner boys are definitely doing videos on Zephyr, which, as you know, once the big miners start talking about it, the price will tank really, really, really bad. So I definitely see Zephyr at least retracing back to 29, but with these kind of gains right before the bull market, it's on a lot of people's watch list. We come over to CoinGecko, we can see, I don't know if CoinGecko does it, but yeah, Zephyr was recently added to 9,622 people's watch list. So, oh, that's not Zephyr. Let's go and find Zephyr really quick. Zeph. Yeah, Zephyr is on 884 people's watch list. So people are definitely taking an eye on Zephyr, but just know, right now, the trading volume on Zephyr is like really high. MEXC's holding out 96% of the trading volume. Trade Ogre is undetermined. And yeah, right here, like around 5 million trading volume 100,000 million, yeah, like 5 million getting sold, 200,000. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of selling pressure, especially because there's 5 million there's 5 million getting traded. Sorry guys, I'm tired. I got that nighttime drink. I'm ready for bed, just trying to get this video out. But yeah, all I'm trying to say is be warned about Zephyr. Please like and subscribe. Also, check out my previous videos. Anyone who comments on this video enters a giveaway, $5. My last video, no one commented, no giveaway. Trying to do a giveaway. Yeah, check it out. That's Zephyr. That's how to mine it. Those are the concerns. Don't get wrecked trying to mine this coin. Peace out.